Hi everyone, this is Saoirse agus Seamus onto the Cloughaneely. This is the stone of Mackineely. The Cloughaneely is up here on this pillar. And right now they're doing some building over here around us. So they're building some new houses. But anyway, I'll tell you a little bit about the stone and why it's such a big deal. Balor of the Evil Eye, Balor Mac Cionn Fhaolaidh, he was a giant, a Fomorian chieftain, and he was the king of Tory Island. And if you remember that we were over on Tory Island, and we were talking about Balor's fort there, and the things from there. And we were actually staying at the Éire Scannánaithe there, and we're staying at Éire Scannánaithe here in the Falcarragh. But anyway, so Balor Mackineely, who was from here in Falcarragh, he went over to Tory and stole the glass gavalon, and that was the cow of plenty. I was said to be able to feed 3 counties, just from that one cow every day. Yeah, that would have been something, right? So anyway, so Mackineely stole it, and then that made Balor not like him very much, and so Mackineely wanted to kill Balor of the Evil Eye, and so he said, well, the Druid said that in order to do that, the only way that he can be killed is by his son. But he didn't have any sons, so Mackineely snuck over to Tory Island dressed as a woman and snuck into Balor's fort, into the tower there, where his daughter, Balor's daughter, Éire was held, because the prophecy was his grandson would kill him, so he locked away his daughter. And so Mackineely, of course, he just undisguised himself, and Éire was totally entranced and fell in love with him, stayed away. And so anyway, that's the story. And one of the sons, 2 of the sons were killed when Balor found out, but Lugh survived. So you remember Lugh of the long arm. He also the month of Lughaneely and the fossil there. So anyway, so then Balor came over here to kill Mackineely, and he captured him, and he brought him over here and cut off his head on a large white stone. And this is the Cloughaneely. This is the stone of Neely's head, of Mackineely's head. And in the 1700s, the Ulferts, who we're talking about at Ballyconnell estate, they erected this pillar, and it's been on a 16-foot high pillar ever since the 1700s. And so that's a little bit of the story of the Cloughaneely. And if you look at the top, you can see a line of red that's supposed to be Mackineely's blood from when Balor killed him. Now later, you think Balor got away with it, but Lugh did kill him. If you can look over here, the mountains behind there, the Derry Mountains. On the other side of that is the Poison Glen, and that's where Lugh killed Balor by driving a hot spear through his evil eye, and it killed him there. So that's it, a wee bit of the story. Hi, Sinead Fáil, Scannánaithe.